Assalamu alaikum students. This is Dr. Syed Shazid. Today in anesthesia third semester, lecture 10. Today our topic is zone of interest of anesthetic, which is diaphragm, intercostal space, anterior cubital fossa and thoracic inlet. आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है जो कि इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक्स है आपके प्रैक्टिकल के लिहाज से भी और ऐसे भी आपके इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं। डायाफ्राम जो होता है इंटरकॉस्टल स्पेस होता है, एंटीरियर क्यूबिटल फोसा होता है और थोरेसिक इनलेट होता है। एक कोड है आपके लिए कि नॉलेज इज़ नॉट पावर्ड अंटिल इज इट अप्लाइड। नॉलेज जो है एक पावर नहीं होती जब तक इसको आप अप्लाई नहीं करते। Diaphragm a primary muscles which is used in respiration, which is process of breathing. The dome-shaped muscle and located below the lungs and the heart, and contract continually as a breath in and out. Diaphragm anatomy and function. Diaphragm is a thin skeletal muscle that sits into the base of the chest and separate abdomen from the chest. It contracts and flattens when you inhale. This creates a vacuum effect that pulls air into the lungs. When you exhale, the diaphragm relaxes and air pushes out of the lungs. It also some non-respiratory function as well. Diaphragm increase abdominal pressure to help the body get rid of the vomit, urine and feces. It also places pressure on the esophagus, prevent acid reflux. The phrenic nerve, which runs from the nerve to neck of the diaphragm, control the movement of diaphragm. The opening these include esophageal opening, aortic opening, and caval opening. Esophageal opening, esophagus in vagus nerve, which control much of the digestive system, pass through this opening. Aortic opening, the aortic body main artery that transport blood from the heart passes through the aortic opening. Caval opening, the inferior vena cava is the large vein transport blood to the heart passes through the opening. Intercostal space. Intercostal space are the space between the ribs. There is 11 spaces on each side and they are numbered according to the ribs in which superior border of the space. These are shown in this figure in diagram. There is a spaces between two ribs which is called intercostal space. What is anterior cubital fossa? Anterior cubital fossa is the area which is present to anteriorly in the your arm. Anterior cubital fossa is simply elbow fit is the small triangular depression in the arm which formed by the connection of humerus, radius and ulnar forearm. The fossa, anatomical term from the Latin word mean ditch or groove. What is thoracic inlet? In this figure you see the thoracic inlet, which is structured in this. Thoracic inlet is the junction region between the structure of the root of the neck and contents of thoracic cavity. The transverse plane to the thoracic inlet parallel to the first rib and tilted. There is a higher posteriorly than anteriorly. The anatomic structure is the plane in which considered from the front to back. Now अब अगर किसी को मेरे लेक्चर की यहाँ से समझ नहीं आई तो मुझे इस पे जीमेल करे dr.z.syed.733@gmail.com। तो आपके नोट्स आपको इस जीमेल पे मिल जाएंगे। इंशाल्लाह जो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर जो हमारा होगा वो नारकोटिक एनाल्जेसिक पे हम बात करेंगे, जैसे कि उसके एडवर्स साइड इफ़ेक्ट, जिसमें मॉर्फिन फर्स्ट टॉपिक आता है जिस पे हमने नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में डिस्कशन करनी है। थैंक यू, अपना ख्याल रखिए, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।